Hello, yes, welcome to our next problem on next lecture on strength of materials on chapter number 1 in simple stresses and strain. This is Gaurav Kumar Jain. So coming to problem number 2. So the question is, a tensile test was conducted on a mild steel bar. The following data was observed from the test. So the given data is diameter of the steel bar 3 centimeters. So already in the first problem we have discussed the related basic concepts. So directly I'll go through here given data directly. So given data directly I will not write whole thing. Given is diameter of steel bar, that is D equal to 3 centimeter. And given is gauge length of the bar. Gauge length is nothing but the original length, that is L equal to 20 centimeter. And given a load at elastic limit. Given load, so load can be denoted by P at elastic limit. Elastic limit how much he has given? 250 kilonewton. And given that extension at a load of 150 kilonewton is 0.21 mm. Understand here clearly. Given that extension is nothing but change in length. Change in length is nothing but, so or else you can write directly extension. What is the extension? How much he has given? Extension equal to 0.21. That is at a load of how much he has given? 150 kilonewton. And given that maximum load, P maximum, load maximum equal to 380 kilonewton. And given the total extension. So for the timing, write down extension in this way only. Total extension is 60 mm. And given is diameter of rod at failure. So diameter of rod directly notated by D at failure. How much he has given? 2.25 centimeter. What is said to calculate initially is Young's modulus. First E you need to calculate. And second one, so Young's modulus. First step is our what? Writing the given data. Second step is what? Writing the formula set of the determination. First Young's modulus is what? Stress by strain. Second one is what? Stress at elastic limit. Stress at elastic limit. So stresses elastic limit is load at elastic limit by area. And third what is it? Percentage elongation. Percentage elongation. Percentage elongation is what? Change in extent, change in elongation by original elongation. Or else you can write down directly change in length by original length into 100. By 100 it is percentage. And percentage decrease in area. Percentage decrease in area. So here percentage decrease in area. Given is original diameter and diameter at failure. Two diameters he has given. So percentage decrease is, so original diameter DO minus DF, diameter of rod at failure. So you can write this as an DF and original diameter as DO. So by original diameter into 100. So these are the given data you need to find out. So let us go solve the first one. First one is what? Young's modulus. So for Young's modulus, what is the formula? Stress by strain. We know the stress is what? Load by area. So load already sigma. Here understand carefully. So the load at elastic limit he has given, but extension at elastic limit is not given. So for that, what we need to do? So another one, what he has given, extension at elastic load of 150 kilonewton is 0.21 mm. So for calculation of Young's modulus, the load value you need to take 150 kilonewton, because extension is also given at this particular load. So that is the case, we are not taking load at this elastic limit. So first step is to calculate Young's modulus. So step number 1 is Young's modulus, that is E equal to stress by strain. Stress is what? Load by area. So you can calculate individually also. So stress is what? Load by area. Here load which will take extension at a load of 150 kilonewton is 0.1. So that extension load you need to take. So similarly extension, this extension you need to take. This is within its approach. So load is what? 150 into 10 power 3 Newton. Directly I am writing my area. Area how you will calculate a given diameter, original diameter is 3 cm. So pi by 4, 3 square. 3 here he has given in terms of centimeter. So directly you can convert here in terms of meters. So diameter what you can write is 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Whole square you can write. So diameter you can write on, that is you can convert, because everything will be in an SI unit. 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So if you solve it, so the value you will get it as so on simplification the value will be 21220.9 0.9 into 10 power 4. So the value is on calculation 21220.9 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. So now stress you have got. So what is strain? How you will calculate strain? Chain in length by original length. So chain in length is nothing but your extension, and original length already we know that. So directly substitute here. So strain calculation as chain in length by original length. So here loaded extension we have taken. So the loaded extension is how much? 0.21 millimeter. So 0.21 by original length is nothing but your gauge length. So gauge length is how much? 20 centimeter. So convert this 20 centimeter in millimeter. So 20 into 10. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So that is 200 millimeter. So original length is nothing but your gauge length. Substitute that will be how much you are getting? 200 millimeter. So units will be same. Every time, see for calculation also here he has given millimeter and here also millimeter. So units get cancelled. So on simplification, what will be the strain value? So on calculation in an calc, you will get strain value as 0.00105. That is 0.00105. The strain is value. So substitute stress and strain value over here. 2122.0.9 into 10 to the power of 4 by 0.00105. On simplification in an calc, if you do it, how much value you will get it as 2020 9523 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per meter square. So the Young's modulus you have got it. So the first step of calculation is Young's modulus, that is stress by strain. Why we have taken stress is nothing but load by area. The load value why we have taken is 150 kilonewton is we know the extension. Similarly, we know the extension is nothing but change in length. We know that original length also we have known that. So similarly, original length is nothing but your gauge length. I am changing length. That is the reason the load we have taken at that extension for calculation of an Young's modulus. So if we take load at elastic limit 250 kilonewton, then there is no corresponding extension. So that you cannot calculate. Total extension is given, but there is no certain extension at this load. So due to that, we have not taken. So now the second what he has given, second is to calculate the stress at elastic limit. So if you want to calculate the stress at elastic limit, second one, stress at elastic limit. So stress at elastic limit is load at elastic limit by total area. Load at elastic limit by total area. So stress at elastic limit is how much, load at elastic limit is how much, 250 kilonewton. So 250 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by area is how much? So area you can calculate, given is diameter of steel bar is 3. So pi by 4 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Because we have converted in terms of meters. Here load is also in terms of Newton. So here area in terms of meter square. So if you do simplification, so the answer will be, on simplification in calc, if you